Psychology says something uncomfortable. Being stupid has nothing to do with education, nothing to do with vocabulary, nothing to do with degrees. It has everything to do with thinking patterns. A person can have access to unlimited information and still think in ways that keep them small. Let's break down the patterns. 1. Extreme certainty. Low-level thinking is loud. It speaks with total confidence on complex topics, even when understanding is shallow. Psychology shows that people with low competence often lack the awareness to see their own gaps. This is known as the Dunning-Kruger effect. Intelligent minds question themselves. Limited minds assume they're always right. Certainty feels powerful, but growth begins with doubt. 2. Rigid thinking. New evidence doesn't matter. Changing an opinion feels like weakness, so instead of adapting, they defend. Even when they're clearly wrong, psychology calls this cognitive rigidity. If your beliefs can't evolve, neither can you. 3. Oversimplification. Complex issues require nuance, but shallow thinking reduces everything to slogans. It's obvious. It's common sense. It's always been this way. Black and white thinking removes depth. And when thinking becomes smaller, the world becomes smaller too. 4. Constant blame. Nothing is ever their fault. Bosses, parents, society, the system. Psychology links chronic blame shifting to weak self-reflection, because looking inward requires effort, and effort requires humility. 5. No curiosity. They don't ask questions. They don't explore. They're comfortable not knowing, because they never try to know. Curiosity is the engine of intelligence. Without it, the mind stagnates. And stagnation often looks like stupidity. Stupid isn't an insult. It's a pattern. Rigid certainty. Refusal to adapt. Oversimplification. Blame. Lack of curiosity. The good news? Thinking patterns can change. But only if someone is willing to say, I might be wrong. And that is something a truly foolish mind rarely does.